The sound we are going to practice in this video is the sound F. Repeat after me. F. 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 F in 5. Again, 5. Fish. Again, fish. Foot. Again, foot. 4. Again, 4. Fork. Again, fork. Forest. Again, forest. What other words have the initial sound F? F in buffalo. Again, buffalo. Clarify. Again, clarify. Confident. Again, confident. Confusion. Again, confusion. Difference. Again, difference. Elephant. Again, elephant. What other words have the middle sound F? F in roof. Again, roof. Thief. Again, thief. Laugh. Again, laugh. Wolf. Again, wolf. Safe. Again, safe. Chef. Again, chef. What other words have the final sound F? Now, let's practice phrases with the sound F. Ready? F in bird feather. Again, bird feather. White fence. Again, white fence. Big finger. Again, big finger. Hot fire. Again, hot fire. Small fish. Again, small fish. Now, let's practice sentences with the sound F. Ready? F in she held the baby's tiny foot. Again, she held the baby's tiny foot. The boys enjoyed playing football every Sunday. Again, the boys enjoyed playing football every Sunday. This coffee is too hot. Again, this coffee is too hot. The dolphin smiled at me. Again, the dolphin smiled at me. The elephant is washing himself. Again, the elephant is washing himself. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound F. Repeat after me. F. 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 I hope you enjoyed our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.